Disclaimer, this is a work of fiction. Please don't be an idiot and play these stones in the air. Doing so will get you banned, or get in prison for 5 years for causing massive panic and confusion. Anyways, grab a slice of pizza and enjoy.
Hello everyone, this is your hero Kameron, and today is December 31st, 2026. I know it's 11:59 p.m. Trust me. I just come to see that new year and stuff, so yeah, gotta kick open the door. Yeah, that's the door thankfully. Yeah, that's the light going to the kitchen, just to know. We are officially heading into the year 2027, and I'm pretty sure you're pretty familiar with what's coming that much, so we're going to talk for about 3 minutes, certainly, when New Year's already. You guys can count with me, alright? Let's do this right now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to 2027. And, wait a minute. Guys, my radar signals detect that, a local area emergency will be issued. So, please stand by for a emergency alert system. Please stand by. Thank you, and have a good night. And also stay safe and have a happy New Year.
The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. 3 unidentified figures was breaking into people's homes and brutally murdering adults inside, taking children, and injuring teenagers. The first suspect is a white female, approximately 23 years old, has purple hair and brown eyes. She was wearing an entire black suit. The second suspect is a white female, approximately 22 years old, has black hair and brown eye. She was wearing a black suit. The third and last suspect is a white female, approximately 24 years old, has pink hair and pink eyes. She was also wearing the black suit from the first 2 suspects. We've gotten reports that our hero was brutally injured after his younger sister was taken, and his father and uncle was killed. If you see any of these suspects, stay absolutely silent, and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for further information on this developing situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department. This is an update to the local area emergency that was issued around 5 hours ago. The 3 unidentified figures' name have already been confirmed to be Rumi, Zoe, and Myra. We have backup from Kameron, because his stab wound recovered just 5 hours ago. We also have heroes from Lake Norman. Their names are Rayman and Goblox. Do not go out with Kameron, Rayman, and Goblox unless you have any by-legal force weapons at this time. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. Rumi, Zoe and Myra have been reported to decapitate babies and toddlers. If you have a baby sibling or a toddler sibling, hide them somewhere, and make sure they don't cry, otherwise they'll never see you again. Kameron, Rayman and Goblox are planning something to stop HUTR once and for all. More information will be gathered as the situation worsens. The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. Rumi, Zoe and Mira have been reported to decapitate babies and toddlers. If you have a baby sibling or a toddler sibling, hide them somewhere, and make sure they don't cry, otherwise they'll never see you again. Kameron, Rayman and Goblox are planning something to stop HUTR once and for all. More information will be gathered as the situation worsens. The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. Kameron, Rayman and Goblox are preparing for the biggest fight. If you wish to fight, prepare. This message will repeat in approximately soon. The following message has been transmitted at the request that the Gastonia Police Department. The battle is now here. Go fight now. Go fight now. Go fight now. All clear. Repeating. All clear. Kameron, Rayman and Goblox have won. Get out of your shelters now. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for watching this video. On EAS Tools you make your EAS alerts by using select voice and text-to-speech announcements. You can also download the audio file and add them to your EAS scenario. Thanks for watching.